Hello guys. Come back with me. As usual in this video, I will trade using the Quotex trading platform. Okay, let's go to the video, guys. As usual, guys, I only use one indicator, namely the 10-period moving average. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to activate the notification bell button so you don't miss my latest video updates. Okay guys, here I open a down position for 3 minutes because I see this candle will break out of the previous candle, and I just entry full margin. Okay guys, I profit here. Okay guys, I'm searching the market again. For you, always use good money management, because there is no technique that is 100% profitable. Okay guys, here. This is the support point, and I'm sure this candlestick will break out again and penetrate the previous support, and I without hesitation to enter 2 minutes down. Okay guys, I profit again. I'm searching the market again, guys. Okay guys, here, breakout again. I just opened a position 3 minutes down. And here it is also seen guys that the candle is far below the moving average line, meaning that the trend is still strong downwards. I'm sure we will profit again here. Okay guys, my prediction is right and we profit again. Okay guys, AUD cat again. I will open another position in 3 minutes again. Here there are 3 red candles and 1 green candle. This is a correction candle to continue the downward trend. Is my prediction right this time, guys? Yes, of course, we profit again guys. Okay guys, here is happening red candle. I believe this is just a correction candle. I will open a position 3 minutes and above following the trend. I open a position now. Wow, what is that guys? Suddenly candle jumps straight up. This is a good sign guys. I'm sure we will profit again. Yes guys, the pressure of the candle is very strong and we are again and again taking profit and trading this time. Okay guys, again I remind you all to always use good money management, because there is no technique that is 100% profitable. Okay guys, here, this candle has almost passed the previous support and I will enter 3 minutes down. Okay, I open position now. Wow, straight up guys. It's okay, I'm sure it will go down again. The movement of the candle is not good. There are a lot of candle wicks here. Yes, he's down guys. Will we profit again? Yes, of course, we can profit again guys. And it doesn't feel like my balance has become $2,000 from a $50 balance. Okay guys, always support me for this channel to grow by liking and commenting on this video, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Okay, let's continue trading again. Okay guys, here the trend is very strong upwards, and there is one red candle here, which means this is a correction candle to continue the trend, and I don't hesitate to open an up position for 3 minutes. Okay, I'm profit again. My balance has become $3,700. Easy to make profit guys. Okay, I will do the last trade. I used to searching the market one by one, because this is the last trade. I have to be careful, guys. I've made a profit of $3,700 from the balance of $50. Okay, here, AUD/USD looks like this green candle is a correction candle for trend continuation. I open a position now 3 minutes down. Will we profit again? And make a big profit from this trade? You want Lear? Please join my VIP group for free. I will teach you step by step, and you will also get a signal from me. You can see my description for the link, and contact me via my Telegram. Okay guys, I profit again easily, and my balance has become $6,300 from the balance of $50. See you next video and profit cheers.